Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a word that adds color and creativity to our conversations. The word of the day is artwork. As a B2 level noun, artwork refers to a piece of art. It can include paintings, sculptures, drawings, or any form of creative expression. We encounter artwork in many areas of life. For instance, when visiting a museum, we admire the artwork displayed in galleries. If you've ever purchased a painting to decorate your home, that's also a kind of artwork. You might even hear someone describe a beautifully designed book cover as a piece of artwork. Some synonyms for artwork include art, masterpiece, and creation. For example, you could say, "The artwork in this gallery is breathtaking," or "Her latest painting is a true masterpiece." On the other hand, antonyms might include doodle, sketch, or scribble when referring to something more casual or incomplete. For example, "This isn't an elaborate artwork, just a quick sketch to show the idea." Let's think about how artwork appears in everyday life. Imagine you're describing your new living room. You could say, "I added a beautiful piece of artwork above the fireplace to bring the room to life." Or, if you're telling a friend about a recent visit to a museum, you might say, "The exhibition featured stunning artwork from around the world." Here are a few more examples to help you understand. The local artist displayed her artwork at the community fair. The movie poster was designed with intricate artwork to capture the theme. I spent hours on this project, and I consider it my best piece of artwork yet. To wrap up, today we explored the word artwork, its meaning as a piece of art, and how it adds value and beauty to our lives. We looked at synonyms like masterpiece and creation, contrasted it with antonyms like doodle, and explored ways it's used in daily conversations. Thank you for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using artwork and share it as a comment. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.
Goodbye.